Hi, I'm Skip Bedell. Recently, I found the perfect planting tool to include in my gardening segment that I featured on a national TV morning show. With more and more people wanting to grow their own food now, or just start a hobby to keep them busy while they're at home, gardening has become more popular than ever before. But it is an acquired skill that can intimidate some people if they don't know what they're doing. The seeding square is a plant by color tool that gives every seed in your garden the exact amount of space it needs to get a maximum yield of plants, with just enough space for each plant to grow perfectly without any overcrowding. It couldn't be easier to use for experienced gardeners, beginners, even kids. It could be used anywhere, a raised garden bed, even a large ground planting. First, you look at the included chart, see what plant you want to grow, what colored box it's in, as well as the proper depth. Then, press the seeding square into the soil. Grab the poking tool that has the depth markings noted on the stick to poke the perfect depth hole in the matching color on the seeding square. Next, grab the funnel that's stored on the back of the seeding square, insert it into each hole color you used, and use the poking tool to scoop the seeds into the spoon on the end. Drop the seeds in the holes and you're done. Just press, poke, and plant. It's that easy. And with your plants growing in a perfect grid formation, it'll be easy to identify unwanted weeds. The seeding square is super easy to use, affordable, and can be found at seedingsquare.com or other online retailers.